easy to focus on developing social skills if you struggle with anxiety, fear of rejection, or a sense of not being good enough. These emotions and beliefs can really hold us back, making us avoid social situations or feel uncomfortable when we're in them. The good news is tapping and visualization can help release those limiting beliefs and shift our emotional responses. So let's start with a quick round of tapping to address these common fears and anxieties that come up in social situations. Begin by taking a deep breath. Think about a social situation that usually makes you nervous. Perhaps talking to new people or speaking up in a group. Focus on the first scenario that comes to mind, especially if it brings anxiety or discomfort. While tapping, keep this situation in your thoughts and notice how it makes you feel. After one or several rounds of tapping, if recalling the same scenario no longer causes unease or anxiety, you've successfully completed the exercise. Ready? Even though I feel nervous in social situations, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel nervous in social situations, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel nervous in social situations, I deeply and completely accept myself. Eyebrow. This fear of speaking up, side of the eye. Feeling anxious around new people, under the eye. I'm worried I might say something wrong, under the nose. What if they judge me? Chin. This feeling of not being good enough, collarbone. But I choose to relax in social situations, under the arm. I release this anxiety and self-doubt, top of the head. I'm open to feeling more confident and calm. Back to the eyebrow point. I am safe in social situations, side of the eye. I'm comfortable speaking with others, under the eye. People enjoy my company and my presence, under the nose. I am confident and calm in any social situation, chin. I trust myself to say the right thing, collarbone. I feel at ease around others, under the arm. I release all worries and feel good about myself, top of the head. I enjoy connecting with people and sharing who I am. Take a deep breath in and relax. Now let's try a visualization exercise to ease social anxiety and build a strong foundation for confident communication. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine a brilliant, cleansing light, pure and vibrant, descending from the vastness of the universe, like a beam of cosmic energy. See this light coming down, traveling through the galaxy, through the atmosphere, and directly towards you. As it reaches you, this light touches the top of your head, gently penetrating through your crown, flowing down into the center of your chest. Feel it fill your heart space, transforming any tension or negativity into peace. Now visualize this light expanding from your heart, spreading out in front of you like a wave of purification. Watch as it moves ahead of your path for the day, clearing the air, the environment, wherever you will go. This cleansing light sweeps across your day, softly removing all negative emotions, intentions, and vibes. It clears the way, making each moment lighter and each interaction more positive. See it flowing through your planned activities, meetings, or errands, ensuring that only positive energy remains. With each step you take today, this light goes before you, creating a serene, harmonious path. It touches everyone you meet, helping to dissolve any negativity or stress they might carry, fostering an atmosphere of mutual respect and understanding. Feel confident that this light not only cleanses your path, but also strengthens your own energy, making you a beacon of positivity. You are now prepared to move through your day with grace, ease, and a heart open to the good in every encounter. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Remember, this light is always with you, guiding and protecting your day. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, energized, and ready for a positively charged day. May your day be bright and filled with pleasant interactions.